Hey, what are you doing down there? I've been looking for you everywhere. Actually, I've been looking for like a year now. Well, I'm glad I found you, because we got a lot to talk about. So yeah, welcome back to No Idea Automotive. It has been over a year since I have posted on this channel, and I'm so glad to announce that I'm back. I'm back, and I've sold all my cars, and the channel is now homeless. Yes, you heard that right. I'm not an owner of any vehicle, and I no longer have that shop in the very last video that you may have saw if you've been watching this channel. And there actually have been a lot of people who have subscribed to the channel since I've last posted, but it wasn't because of the last video I posted. It was actually because of the Range Rover video where I talked about my dad's 2008 Range Rover Supercharged. I've literally recorded this like 4 times. I keep getting distracted. As you see, I am in like a newly developed suburban neighborhood, and you're probably wondering, Tyler, if you don't own any vehicles, how in the world did you even get here? I walked. No, I didn't walk. I actually drove this right here. This is like a 2012 Volkswagen EOS. This is not my car. It's just something I'm borrowing in the meantime while I search for a new vehicle. And it's not the only thing that I actually daily drive. I daily drive something else, but we'll get to that in a later video. We'll also talk about this in a later video as well. But I have a lot of fun things coming up for the channel. I really hope anybody that watches this, you stick around and you follow this journey that I'm going on, because a lot of mistakes were made the first year this channel was created, because I, as the title of the channel is, don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea, and I just made a lot of mistakes, and hopefully I'm gonna fix those and actually learn from those mistakes. Hopefully I have learned. I don't know, I feel like I'm rambling. Tyler, what happened to all that stuff in that shop you had? Well, I will take you there and I will show you. Also, when I get there, I'll tell you why exactly I don't have those vehicles any longer, and what happened to the Porsche project. What happened to my Scat Pack? What happened to another car you didn't even see? So we're here where my stuff is. It's in this storage locker right here. And there we go. This is everything that was in that shop. It's just sitting here being wasted in a storage unit. And I really want to find a new home for all this stuff, but right now it's just not in the cards. The channel has to grow a little bit before this sees a new home. That's one of the first mistakes I made. I went a little too big the first year of this channel. You know, tried to restore a 30-year-old, 35-year-old car, and it didn't work out. I was way into over my head, and I sold it. I actually sold it for $200 more than what I paid for it. I paid $700 for that Porsche and sold it for $900. So I kind of got out lucky on that, I guess. Then my Scat Pack that I had, which was my daily driver, that was also traded in for another car, and I actually got a really good trade-in value for my Scat Pack. I traded it in for a 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. I absolutely loved that vehicle. However, life happens, and I sold that as well after just having it for 4 or 5 months. I sold it for more than what I paid for it. So, hey, it's a crazy world, especially with all these car prices just going up and up and up. So things have been kind of wild. Things have been very interesting over here for No Idea Automotive. Lots of changes, lots of stuff happening, but I do have content coming, and hopefully it's something that you will enjoy, and the channel will grow and we'll do more. And we won't dive headfirst into a total restoration project with not even knowing how to properly change oil. There's a tiny spider right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I would really appreciate it if you just joined me for the journey of No Idea Automotive, learning what I don't know, learning from my mistakes, and most importantly, just having fun along the way. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It's probably going to be a lot of chaos, but we're going to see. Also, you get to follow the journey of me buying my new daily driver and another project that's not really that much of a project, but it's a project, if that makes sense. Now, I am going to head home and get out of this rain. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and join me for the next one that I do. It's been so long since I've done an outro on this channel. I don't know what I'm doing. I have rain in my eye. Learn what you don't know, everybody.